Let's go over how to move with your Aperture cards. So when you find the file you're looking for and click on it, what will pop up is the image view of your Aperture card, which is what we're looking at here. You'll see that this shows an actual representation of the physical card. And what I can do here is either use the plus or minus buttons to zoom in or out. I can also use my mouse wheel by hovering over any part of the Aperture card and moving in and out. And while I'm in image view, I can also adjust the image by clicking the adjust button up here, changing the brightness and contrast. I can use these arrows here to move to other pages within the document. So this is a 3-page document, and if I want to go to the next page, I can click here and scroll along the document. I can also choose which page of a document I want to go to by clicking up here and then selecting the page. This is most useful for really large documents such as 100 pages or whatever it is. You can go to the exact page you're looking for. 3-page document's pretty small. Now to get to the other view when I'm looking at the Aperture card is to click anywhere outside of the image or click View Pages, and I'll click here. And so what you're seeing here is the view of the entire record, not just each individual image of the card and the frames within the card. So here's the actual physical representation of your Aperture card, and then also the images that came from the frames, those 2 little frames there. Just like before, I can use the plus or minus to zoom in or out, or use my mouse wheel. And then I can also use this blue ball down here for quick movement. On a 3-page document, not very useful, but again, let's say you have 100 pages or 1,000 pages in a record, you could use this blue ball to move very quickly left and right.